In front of me is VIVO X51 5G, and let me show you how to activate or deactivate the iPod tones on the following device. So as you can hear currently, it is muted, so you cannot hear any tap of mine. Once you want to change it to reach the settings, then find and pick sound, and now go to other sounds and vibrations, and here you just have to mark the iPod tones right here. From now on it will be active. As you can hear, now it's not muted. So that would be all this how you can activate it. Obviously, if you would like to switch it off, if you would like to mute those sounds, you should perform the same operation. And that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.